Hey guys, so before I get into this video, I just want to say that I'm gonna be kind of taking a break for the next few weeks because of everything that's been going on, mainly because all of my packages that I've ordered for, the vehicles so that I can do stuff to them and make more videos are not gonna be here until towards like the end of the month. So probably not gonna have any more videos after this one until the end of the month. I just wanted to let you guys know. But anyways, today I'm gonna be installing the halos that I got for the Mustang like months ago, probably like 3 or 4 months ago. I'm finally gonna be putting those on today, but I did get the new flares in and I did make a video on it, but I'm not gonna upload that video because it's kind of boring and I'm not really doing much other than unboxing them and putting them on the car. I'm gonna show you the clip of me unboxing them in this video so that you can see that. So whenever you see them on the car when I'm doing the halos, you're not like, what the fuck, when did he get those? So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that before I start doing all that so you're not confused as shit. But anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're switching over to GoPro because my phone kept falling over every time I would set it up. Hey, can you not mess with the camera? Look, come here. Come help me. I'm gonna get into it. Oh. So here they are. They are definitely smaller. Yeah, that's crazy, huh? Yeah, that's crazy. But these are definitely smaller. I think all of these put together equals like one of the rear flares, right, that are on the Mustang right now. So these are definitely smaller, which is what I was wanting. I wanted a smaller kit because the Mustang, the one that's on the Mustang right now is just, it's way too wide for what I'm using it for. Like I don't have super low offset multi-piece wheels. It's not a stance build, so I need something smaller. So that's where Fiberglass Mafia came in. I saw that their flares were only like 1 inch and 3/4 in the front and 2 inches in the rear. So that's why we went with them. Wow, that actually looks really nice. So here's the front. As you can see, these also go all the way down the body of the car, like on the bumper and on the fender. Which is another reason why because I'm not really a fan of the style that are on mine. This is another front one right here. And then these are the rear. So that is honestly a lot better. I prefer that way more. But yeah, so they have that nice fiberglass smell to them because they're fiberglass. Hey. Alright, first things first. I'm gonna glue these on the inside here where I want them to sit. So I'm just gonna be using super glue because I'm just needing these to stay on for a while. Okay, so this stuff has been out here drying for probably a little over 20 minutes. So I'm gonna actually just turn it around real quick and see what it looks like from the front. Because when I was inside, I noticed that, I don't know if I actually noticed it correctly, but Yeah, that looks fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna take it and put it face down so that the silicone doesn't run, because I want it to sit flat. So I'm gonna go get the silicone. I just got some small little silicone tubes. I'm probably gonna use a full one, like a full tube on each thing. So I'm gonna go grab that and then I'm gonna get started. Alright, so I got everything hooked up. I'll go ahead and show you guys because I didn't record doing any of it. It's obviously not done yet. I've got everything wired up though where it's gonna go, and I'm gonna get in the car and just see if it works. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna see if, oh, look at that, look at that. Boom.
Oh yeah. We did good. All right, so they're working. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. I should take those off, and I'm going to. I was gonna do it in this video, but I think I'm gonna do it in the next one. So yeah, so they look awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool, guys. Stay cool.